Let's serve. I will choose this. No bones breast chicken. Yeah. Lagay tayo ng salt. Drizzle of olive oil. Slice onion. Nakakain. Ito yung tomato. Slice. 2 pieces yung So, tuloy tayo ng another layer ng add ng 2 cups of rice. Wash na ito. The next one, itong chicken. You can use also Thai na walang buto. So, yung sauce. Habang inubos sila. 1 teaspoon ng salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Ito yung importanteng spice sa ating Iraqi rice. Iko baharat. And then after nun, 3 tablespoon ng tomato sauce. Ang baharat, very important yun sa ating Iraqi. And then olive oil, 1/3 cup. Date syrup, depende 2 tablespoon lang. And then minced garlic, 4 cloves ng garlic yung ginamit ko. And then 4 cups ng hot water. Yan. So 4 cups yung gagamit. Mix all together. Then ilagay na natin yung ating sauce. Yan lahat. Bus na natin. Ang lahat. So, yan. Ng wet parchment paper. Wet parchment paper para mag-moisture yung ating chicken. Oven. In the oven. Let's see. Anong itsura niya? Tibit. Chicken rice. Parsley.